Hello everyone, my name is Virakon Wongsambat. Today I will present about strategy planning in marketing. Strategy planning is necessary before doing marketing activity because it gives a clear direction for company. It helps the company set goal, choose the right customer, and use resources effectively. Without planning, marketing activity may become random and company can waste time and money. Marketing should always follow the company's mission and objective. If company does marketing without a clear mission, it may create confusion and inconsistent decision. The company may target the wrong customer and spend budget on ineffective. As the result, it will be difficult to achieve long-term success. Marketing must be also connected to the company's overall strategy, not work independently. Another important idea is choosing target customer. Companies should not try to serve everyone because resources are limited. By focusing on the right group of customer, the company can provide the better product and better service, and this will increase profit. Marketing ROI show whatever marketing activity make profit or not. If companies do not measure ROI, they may not continue spending money on activities that do not work. Understanding the business portfolio is also very important. A company need to know which products are strong and which are weak. This help the company decide where to invest and where to improve. Sometimes downsizing is necessary to reduce cost and help the company survive in the long term. Teamwork is another key factor in creating customer value. Customer value is not created by one department only. Production, marketing, sales, and service must work together in the value chains. Good cooperation lead to the better quality and higher customer satisfaction. In today's competitive world, positioning is very important. Many companies sell a similar products, so the company must show why its product is different and better. Good positioning help attract customer and build a strong brand. Strategy planning is not only for a big companies. Small business also need planning because they have a limited money and limited resources. Good planning help avoid mistakes and increase the chance of success. If I want to start a business in Laos, segmentation and targeting will be very important. People in developing countries have different income level and different needs. Choosing the right target market will help the business grow faster and avoid wasting resources. In conclusion, strategy planning is the foundation of successful marketing. Marketing must follow the company strategy, focus on the right customers, and measure performance. With good planning, a company can compete better and achieve a long-term success. Last one, I want to thank you everyone and Professor for listening my presentation.